Hi guys, this is Jacob and this is Olivia, and we have some really fun stuff in store for you this summer. So we're gonna make some fun videos so you guys can make at home with your kids who will probably have way too much time on their hands with summer vacation. And we're gonna decorate cupcakes, we're gonna make cupcakes, we're gonna make frosting, we're gonna decorate unicorn toppers, we're gonna make some cookies, decorate cookies, Toy Story cookies, whatever, a lot of things we have in store for you guys. So stay tuned and subscribe to my channel so you can watch all these. And they're really easy videos. So if you're a beginner baker, these are really good. This will be really good for you to try out. So thanks for watching and stay tuned.